This is a sledgehammer. A sledgehammer are 4 moves that goes like this. And we'll be using that to solve advanced F2L cases today. So without further ado, let's get right into it. First, we have this case. Now, normally, you'd have to rotate and then solve it like normal. But then, by using sledgehammer, you can solve it rotationless like this. And here it is again, but faster. We also have this case, where we'll normally have to rotate before solving it. But then, you can actually solve it rotationless using a sledgehammer like this. And here is it again faster. Next, we have this case, where normally we'd have to rotate, solve it, rotate again to insert it. But then, we can solve the whole thing rotationless using a sledgehammer. And it goes like this. And this is how it looks like faster. That is all from now. Like and subscribe.